Okay, everybody, Dan here, and I want to talk about Bitcoin and the IBIT, and then also MicroStrategies and Coinbase. So I got a few things going on here today, and so I'll just get right to it. First of all, Grayscale Bitcoin Trust, which I don't know how they're doing because I think the ETFs, or I thought anyway, that they'd really kind of have to hurt Grayscale. Maybe they have, but I don't see it on the chart. So this is working out really well. The last time I looked at Bitcoin a while ago, it was in the like the mid 50s, maybe even a little bit higher than that. And so that got me looking at my positions. I don't own any of this. I used to a long time ago. To be candid, I'm not even sure if I made money on it. Probably didn't. But then, so along comes, and I've got actually a pretty sizable position in Bitcoin, in the crypto itself, just over at Coinbase, which I'll get to in just a sec. So I'm trading all this other stuff. Like I actually have a really big position in, I just call it IBIT, in IBIT, and that's in my trading account. Totally looking at it differently than my Bitcoin position. For me, this is just a chart trade, but I like the way this is trading. I like the way Coinbase is trading. My gosh. And then also MicroStrategies. So I want to go through these real quick. First of all, what's happening with all of these? Okay, they're all acting the same way. Now I'm stating the obvious, except to the most casual observer here, but it's because Bitcoin's going up, and these are all levered to Bitcoin. So when you see something like this, when you see a lot of stocks that are related to each other moving in the same direction, this should give you more. This should give you more confidence in holding a trade, because what it means is that there's not like one or two institutions buying a particular stock because they have an idea or they want to build a position. This is the bevy of institutions. This is the aggregate of institutions deciding that they want to be long a particular theme. In this case, it's Bitcoin in particular. I don't think Saylor owns any Ethereum, but he owns a crap ton of Bitcoin. So when I see this, you know what? I want to be long the world. I want to be long it all. But it all starts truly with Bitcoin, with the underlying itself. And so what we did today was we've had MicroStrategies on the list here for a while. Kind of been in and out of it, as you can see here. We had a really nice trade over here, and I just decided today it's time to get back in. I like the way this is trading, so we put this back on the active trade list as well, and we're up just about 5%, which isn't. When you look at the almost 16% gain today, that doesn't seem like much. But the thing is, I'm trading money for certainty, for risk, and so I like the way the stock traded today. I think it ultimately goes higher, but it is levered to Bitcoin, so that's really what matters. But when I look at this on a weekly time frame, that's working. When I look at Coinbase, this is kind of a classic head and shoulder pattern. Might be, we could say it's a deformed head and shoulder, right? Because you could say this is a shoulder as well. So it's got the talent to stand on its head, got a left shoulder and two right shoulders. Or we can just say, you know what? The stinking thing's moving higher in a rising channel, but the stock's blowing out the top now. And so this is another one that you want to be long. Again, you look at MicroStrategy, you look at Coinbase, and they're all kind of doing the same thing. And so we want to be long these. You don't have to be long all of them just because I am. But when you see all this stuff going, it's like the world is your oyster. Just buy something. Just buy something, and just make sure that you've got good stops. And I keep stops on all my trades and on our open positions. You can see what they are. I'm not going to go through these, but on our open positions, we have stops on every single thing. We know just what we're risking. So anyway, that's all I got for you. If you're a member, watch the training session today. It was pretty long, but Scott and I covered a lot of ground. And the nice thing for you, if you're watching it, is you can put us on fast speed, and then you don't have to listen to me yammer on for so long, but you do get all the stuff I'm saying. So, all right, that's all I got for you. You guys have a great day, a great evening, and let's make tomorrow great too, huh?